In this video of Aloisi, we are going to clean this wall full of mold, and we are going to leave it clean in the easiest way you can imagine. We have found this mold behind a closet in a very poorly ventilated room. It is mold from condensation moisture. And believe it or not, in a few minutes we are going to leave it like this. Impeccable, without a trace of mold, and it will be very, very easy. Let's get started. And this is going to be the main product, bleach against viruses, fungi and bacteria. Using the right proportion of bleach, we're going to get rid of mold and mildew for a long time. We are going to need a sprayer that you have around the house. Something to measure the quantities. A sponge or a rag that you have at home, and of course we will use gloves. We will also need a bucket or a basin with clean water. The mixture is very easy to make. For porous surfaces such as our wall, we will use 2/3 of water and 1/3 of bleach. This mixture is the one used for porous surfaces, and it guarantees that the mold will take much longer to come out. We are going to make 600 milliliters of product, for which we will use 400 milliliters of water and 200 milliliters of bleach. This is done, we close and ready to use. Due to the live fumes, it is very important that we open the windows and ventilate. We have to adjust the nozzle so that it sprays. We are going to go spraying the mixture all over the surface. Look that soon the mold is changing color. It means that it is dying. We are going to wrap the wall well so that the bleach enters in the roots of that fungus. And with our well-rinsed sponge, we are going to go rubbing and removing little by little all the mold of the wall. Look how fast it is removed. We have to keep rinsing so that the sponge is always clean. Look how easy it is to remove the mold. We are going to go rubbing for all the surfaces, and if we see some place where it resists, we throw a little more bleach and we try again. It's almost ready. We remove the last thing. Look how everything is getting incredibly clean. Not even a trace of mold. It looks like a freshly painted wall. We advise you to ventilate the room well to remove the smell of bleach, and ventilate often to remove the condensation moisture that causes this unpleasant mold. We hope it has been useful for you. If so, please share. Do not forget to subscribe to your channel, to Aloisi. Thank you very much, and until the next video.